So Darren's upstairs doing his hair. Before we get out, do you want me to put your hair up?
Yeah.
Keeping my distance because he looks stupid. Here he is. I got a camel toe. Why have you put the arcade machine in the workshop?
Because you wouldn't let me have it in the house.
Just waiting for Darren to get home. I thought you were in the shed.
Your face all funny.
No more than usual. Here he comes. Here he is. Just making him a caffeinated coffee. Do you want me to adjust this?
Don't touch it!
Okay. Look at our wings on it. Yeah. Yeah, our wings at the back there. And you'll see. Yeah.
What's the cut plan for the furniture I'm making? It's going to be a dining set.
What have you been up to, Darren?
Nothing. No, it's not for this, it's for you. Turn camera on off.
Are you making another monk bench?
Are you making a new